Hi all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Pari Cloud Knowledge. I am Praveen Kumar. I am here to teach you about what is instance metadata and how to upgrade instance metadata version IMSD version 1 to IMSD version 2. So just I'm giving you the overview what is instance metadata and EC2 metadata. So let's discuss about instance metadata, yeah, EC2 metadata. So instance metadata is about your instance that you can use to configure or manage the running instance. So metadata can be only viewed from within the instance we have when you log into the server. If you won't log into the server, you cannot cannot check like what is your instance data, MID, and IP addresses. So the third point is like metadata is not protected by encryption. Anyone that has access to the instance can view this data. So the third point is that like instance data metadata is not protected for encryption. So anyone can view your data who have the CLI access and server access. So let's discuss about how to view instance metadata. So the command for this is like curl http colon slash slash 169.254.169.254 slash latest slash meta hyphen data. So now we are going to discuss about uh, instance metadata categories. So instance metadata categories like AMI ID, AMI launch index, AMI manifest path, block device mapping, events, hibernation, host name, IAM, identity, identity credentials, instance actions, instance ID, instance life cycle, instance type, local host name, local IP4 address, MAC address, ma- matrix, network placement, profile, public hostname, public IPv4, public keys, reservation ID, security groups. I'll show you in console while logging into the server. So now let's discuss about lab part. So lab on upgrade metadata version. So go to console and log into the desired account, like prod, non-prod, which one you have. Yeah, if you have only master accounts, you can log into master account and open cloud shell and execute below commands. The first step to if you want to check metadata version, so so just check like AWS EC2 describe hyphen instances hyphen instance ID and the instance ID here. So if you feel like it's showing optional, it means like metadata version 1. So just see in a screenshot in HTTP tokens, you can see like optionals. If it is optionals, like it's instance metadata version 1. Now let's go move to another slide. Step 2. Then type a steps to AWS CC to modify hyphen instance hyphen metadata hyphen options, then hyphen instance hyphen id, then paste instance id and hyphen http hyphen tokens required, then hyphen http hyphen endpoint enabled. I'll paste you in chat also. So you can see if you execute this command, you will get below like instance id and instance metadata, a state. In a state it's showing, if you execute second a step, it will show like pending, and in token http tokens it will show required. So now let's move to next slide. Sorry, next step. In step 3, execute same above command, but just we need to add http-put-response-hope-limit1. Now just see the screenshot. You will get same screenshot like same thing in a step 2 and a step 3. Now let's move. After executing a step 3, now you can check the status. Then type same command you have executed in first step. So now you will see, instead of optional, you will see required. If it's so required, it's like then we can say metadata version is upgraded to version 2. So thanks for watching. Now let me log into the server and I'll show you how to how to check the metadata version and how to upgrade in server level. So I'm going to log into the server console level first. So this is my server, Linux server 1. This is my instance ID. So I'll show you. Just let me execute. Let me log into the server. Now go to SSH auth browse and paste the PEM key. Now open. Now in login as type ec2-user. Enter. Then you will log into the server. So now type same command. Type this command curl http://169.254.169.254/latest/meta-data/. Let me expand this. So you will see here AMI ID, AMI launch instance, AMI manifest path, block device mapping, events, hibernation. So I want to check instance ID. Instance ID. Just copy and now paste here, same thing. Then you will see this is the instance ID 984. Now if you want to verify, just go to console level and you can see here this is the instance ID. So compare with this should be same. Here is the you will see here IB88984. So you can see B88984. Now let's upgrade the metadata version. Now go to Cloud Shell. If you want to go Cloud Shell, just click on this one arrow key. Click on this one, then you will came here. Now execute the below commands, which one I showed you. So this is the command. Copy and paste here. And instead of instance ID, just copy this instance ID. Copy and paste there. Delete this one and paste here. Now hit enter. Then now click on down arrow key and come last one. Then you just see here, you can see like apply in a state applied HTTP tokens optional. Optional means I'll tell you, I told you if it's so it will show optional like it's metadata version 1. So now I'm going to upgrade the metadata version. So just Q and quit from here. Now execute second command, this one. Control C. Now here Control V, and instead of instance ID, paste same thing. This one instance ID. Now come here and delete this one and paste instance ID. Now hit enter. Then you can see instance ID, instance metadata options, a state pending, HTTP token required, HTTP response hop limit, and here you can see enable. Now execute third command. And here is the instance ID, copy and paste their instance ID. Hit enter. Yeah, now it's executed. Now check the status, which one I showed you. Just click on arrow key and you came here like AWS EC2 describe instance IDs, and this is instance ID. Now hit enter. Now go click on down arrow key and go last one. Then you can see in metadata it's a state applied and HTTP token required, HTTP response times 1, HTTP endpoints enabled. Means our metadata is upgraded metadata version 1 to version 2. So this is completed. So we have done great thing. I'll paste you and same command in chat also. You can view you can view there also. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share my video to others. Please help me on this. Thank you.